Today we're making the heart fairy. Place the front body felt piece on top of the back piece and make sure the edges line up evenly. Thread your needle and begin sewing from the top of the fairy's head using a running stitch. Sew around the edges through the holes with smooth, even stitches. Before closing the final section, leave a small opening and gently insert the stuffing inside. Spread it evenly so your fairy becomes soft and puffy. Finish stitching the opening closed. Now it's time to decorate your love fairy using the double-sided adhesive felt stickers. Follow the booklet illustration as you place each piece onto the fairy. Start with the dress details. Carefully peel off the backing from each double-sided adhesive felt sticker and press it firmly into place for a few seconds so it sticks well. Then add the hearts and bows. And finally, attach the glitter wings. Your adorable heart fairy is complete.